good morning, good morning. Happy New Year, everyone. Happy New Year, Happy New Year. I don't know who needs to hear this, but yes, it come like me ordained to say it, so me I go say it. To the artists them, yes, to the artists them, the entourage them, we walk up and down back out, the whole man them, where they back out, hear their pick, clock. The man them, where if anything for pop off, they ready, then they as no rise to no lay on no head. Yes, they say if you tell no say, alright, then I want rum and boom alone, and tired I so rum and boom. They want more crab in here. They want more than one lighter high grade with a hot grabber. They want food too. So when you not send go buy the big box food them here, they want feed to them hunger to white squalor kill them. They want little clothes. They want money if you can go give them woman. They want it. It's two clothes them and the two clocks them when they have wash out and rub out and done out. So yeah, me no shoot the messenger. But to the artists them, the entourage them here, they want more rum and boom. They want more crab in here. Happy New Year, everybody! Happy New Year! Hip hip hooray! We made it! But them say anything you do for the New Year, I'm going to follow you. I want to make sure my belly full. I hungry. Me run come make some cornflakes. I was outside doing fireworks. But I just wanted to tell everybody Happy New Year. I know everybody's glad to move from 2020. So I have to say Happy New Year to everybody. All the best this year. I'll make sure I'm better for me. Now I'm better hungry. Happy New Year, guys. I love all of you so much. Is over, baby. Goodbye, 2020. No man. Fula baga. Today I went to a wedding. Came back home in time during in the new year with the kids. And so my ear wet up because it's raining outside, but we were doing fireworks. Since it's COVID and we can't go to fireworks, I brought the fireworks home. Well, Justin and I. I'm so used to saying I, so I gotta get used to we and us. Justin and I brought the fireworks home. So that's what we just did. Now I'm gonna put in bed before I go upstairs. Right, let's show you. I'm gonna make my cereal in a bowl with my name on it. Sure. I'm soon telling you something belly have full first, wait. Belly have full first. You going up, babe? You frost. We've gone. Anyway, guys, I just mouthful. I want to wish you all a great 2021. We all saw what 2020 did. Write down your goals and go for it. Pray tonight. Pray hard. Because y'all see, so we're going to need a word of prayer for this year. And I wish you all of the best. More success. God's richest blessings. For you, your entire family, your loved ones, and everybody where they around you. More life, more prosperity, more blessings. Yeah. Don't forget. If you even forget piece of pen and paper, write it down. Stick it on the door where you lead out of your bedroom. That means every morning you wake up, you're supposed to see it when you go through the door. Write down those goals and let's go for it. 2021 is all about money here. A money here we are dealing with this year. I mean, no baga. All of the baga they behind me and left behind 2020. Bye-bye 2020! Bye-bye 2020! Welcome 2021. So yeah. Ready for a more happy life, love, joy, peace, prosperity, blessing. I decree and I declare that everybody upon the life will have a prosperous 2021. God's richest blessings. No matter where the fight come from and no matter where them come with them baga. I wish you all the best. I love you guys. I appreciate you. All of you besties. Right there, so.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, Liana.
I love you so much. I love you too.
Big up, Liana.
Happy New Year, guys.
The wig got come off. The wig got come off. But yeah, I really just wanted to take the time out to say Happy New Year. And I love you guys. I'm wishing you all of the best.
Besties, Happy New Year.
I just go outside, put my fireworks. I'm going to put it up in my story right now. Me and my kids, we had a great day. It's just a beautiful. That's just what that's what I want in my energy. I'm a space. God doing work and get rid of him for get rid of. And I'm just happy. I mean, now make nobody distract me and deter me from my happiness. And I wish you guys to do the same. Love, joy, peace, prosperity, more blessing. 2021. Go down on the knee and pray for what I want. Write it down. Set no goals down, a dream and go fit. Now make nobody telling us how I can't do it. Don't forget me, I come from homeless. Me, I come from no shoes or one pair of shoes. Remember, I'm a fight through it all. You've seen it for your own self and I made it out of nothing. If I can do it, you can do it too. I just want to wish you all the best. I decree and declare nothing but joy and peace and blessing and prosperity. Yeah, I mean, I repeat myself. I just love you guys. I just want to wish everything that's good for you guys. Just a good 2021. Love, enough blessing. Me just do my fireworks. Me look a cornflakes. I feel like a precious. I had a great dinner because I did a beautiful wedding, Justin and I. And it was just a beautiful day, you know. Belly full, come home, but I feel peckies. Make look a cornflakes. Drink my cornflakes a while ago. I go upstairs, go bed. And go on with the nasty. Yeah, I'm gonna do the nasty all night, right through. Right through the night. It's 2021, baby. I have no worries. I love you guys. I just wanted to tell you Happy New Year.